Hi guys, I just wanted to share with you my problem that I have been experiencing with the Singer Heavy Duty Sewing Machine, and I am hoping that you could help me with this problem, and I hope you could share it to me of what you could do to fix it. So this is the problem. I don't know if you have heard that loud, annoying sound from the sewing machine when I started to sew it. I know it's not normal, and you can see it doesn't sew my fabric, and the thread just cut off, and I don't know why. So maybe you could help me with this problem. I would really appreciate it.